Hi class 1, welcome back. Now I'm going to teach you abacus, right? So as I told you in the last class that I will be explaining you few things. I will be teaching you how to hold abacus scale, what you are going to learn in that scale, everything I will teach you first. After teaching, once you are through with the topic abacus, then we will begin with all sums. Okay, so I hope you all have got your book, right? So there is a book, level 1A. This is the book, right? Level 1A. This book you are going to use for first term syllabus. Along with this book you have 1B also. Now that book, what you will do, when I will start teaching you the sums, how to solve it in the book 1A, you will accordingly solve it in 1B. That is for your practice. You don't need to send it to me for correction. Clear class 1? Keep all these things in mind, okay? Now next, 1A book you have to submit me on Thursday. Clear? On Thursday, 1A book you will submit me. So we will complete the work and you will submit me the book on Thursday, and after that Monday again you will collect your book. Clear? Now once you collect the book, whatever pending work you will have for two classes, you will solve it again Thursday you will submit me. So the change system will continue. Clear? Now why we want to do abacus? See, why from class 1 onwards you are learning abacus? Because it will make calculation more faster and easier. Faster, easier, both. Now you have to be very active. When I am teaching abacus, you have to be very active so that you understand, you practice, you solve everything you do simultaneously, and you can apply abacus in your math class also, in your mathematics class also. Clear? So what you will get in abacus, you will get a scale, right? So class 1, this is the scale I am talking about. This is the scale I am talking about. Okay? So first of all, you need to know how you will keep the scale. You just can't do like this. You can't keep it like this. No, this is also wrong. You have to keep the scale on a flat surface. This is the main thing. You have to keep the scale on a flat surface. Done? Now how to hold? This is my left hand. I hope you all can see my left hand. Now this, with this hand, you have to use little finger and ring finger on the upper row, okay, and this thumb finger on the lower row, and hold the scale like this, and these two fingers will be straight. Okay, you can't keep it down like this, you can't hold it like this, you can't hold it like this. These are all wrong postures. এরম করে ধরবে না, এটা ভুল। ঠিক আছে, প্যারেন্টসদেরকেও বলবে আমি যা দেখাচ্ছি ভালো করে দেখতে, যাতে তোমাদের শিখিয়ে দিতে পারে। So you will hold the scale like this. This is the first practice you are going to do. With your left hand you will hold. Now with your right hand what you will do, I'll show you. See here. You will use your right hand. This is the right hand, okay? These two fingers, thumb and index, thumb and index, plays the main role. So once the scale is placed on a flat surface, you will hold your pencil. I am showing with my pen. You will hold the pencil in this way. See, all of you see, hold the pencil always in this way. These two fingers are always open, rest three fingers are closed. Clear? So both the hands should work accordingly in this way. Clear? So what I have taught you today, abacus scale should be placed on a what surface? Flat surface. Clear? How to hold right hand, thumb, index open, pencil this way. Okay, the lead should be this direction, on this direction, and rest 3 fingers closed. This is the function of right hand. Left hand, what I'm going to do, I'll hold it this way, tightly with these 2 fingers, little and ring and thumb, and these 2 fingers straight. Okay, so in this way you are going to hold the abacus scale. This is the first thing I give you as homework. Practice at home holding the scale. That's not very easy. Okay, so holding the scale for whole one period in this way, it's not easy. So practice it. They should not get down, shouldn't be like this, no bending, nothing, full straight in this way. Clear? So class 1, today I have taught you this one, how to hold the scale and how to place the scale. Keep all the terms in your mind which I am saying and I am using throughout the class. Whatever I will say, keep the words in your mind. প্যারেন্টসদেরকে বলছি একটু ফলো আপ করবেন আমার সাথে, কেননা আমি ফিজিক্যালি বাচ্চাদের সাথে নেই, দেখতে পাচ্ছি না ওরা কীভাবে করছে। সো আমাকে এই সাপোর্টটা দেবেন। আপনারাও স্কিলটা আমার সাথে নিয়ে বসবেন যখন ক্লাসটা করবেন, যাতে আপনারা বুঝে যেতে পারেন যে কীভাবে অ্যাবাকাস স্কিলটা ইউজ করছি আর কীভাবে ক্যালকুলেশনস হচ্ছে। ক্যালকুলেশনস আমি পরে আসবো, আগে আই উইল টিচ ইউ অ্যান্ড মাই চিলড্রেন how to hold the scale and what are the you can see beads and all, rods, what are those things called, how many in numbers present. Okay, so today till this much. Take care all of you. Bye bye.